Hi friends, welcome back to Cmd J. Just a couple of days ago, I shared a video about an awesome trick to transform still photos into lively videos. This technique lets you breathe life into any element within your pictures. If you haven't checked it out yet, you are in for a treat, so make sure to give it a watch. And I have got some exciting news. Many of you were super interested by this effect and asked for an action to make things easier. Well, you know what? I always listen to my subscribers, so I went ahead and created an action just for this purpose. Now let me show you how to make the most of this action. First things first, you have got to download and install it. Head over to my website photoshopdesign.com or simply follow the links I have dropped in the video description. Once you have got the action downloaded, there are two versions available for you. One is absolutely free for everyone, while the other is exclusively for my awesome Patreon supporters and channel members. Alright, let's dive into the action itself. Just imagine you have got this cool waterfall picture and you want to make it look like it's flowing. Before you hit that play button, open up the timeline by going to Window menu and selecting Timeline. In the Action panel, click on the three little lines icon and choose Load Action. Now load up the downloaded action file to get it installed. Inside the action, you will see a few options like custom directions with different speeds, fast, medium and slow. The good news is that the medium speed variation is available for everyone to enjoy. However, my awesome Patreon and channel supporters get access to all three speed variations. Let's take the medium speed custom direction for this demo. But hold on a second, before you dive into the action, you need to select the part of the photo you want to animate. Use the quick mask option, grab a soft brush and paint over the area you want to bring to life. Nice and easy. Exit quick mask mode and hit Ctrl or Command plus J to duplicate your selection into a new layer. Rename this layer to Subject so you can keep track. Now go ahead and hit that play button on the action. You will see a message, read it carefully. It's about the next step where you will need to apply a transformation to your image. This transformation will create the motion effect for the animation. The possibilities are endless here, whether it's water, smoke, clouds or even flying fabrics. You can animate just about anything. Now press continue to move on. You will be using the free transform tool, which you will find already selected. The transformation you create will bring motion to your element. Go wild and experiment with different transformations, scale, move, screw, distort, rotate, you name it. In my case, I am making the waterfall look like it's flowing by increasing its height. Once you are satisfied, hit the tick icon. Grab a soft edged brush with black color and paint on the layer mask to hide the effect from areas you don't want it to show up. Now it's the moment to check the animation. Hit that play on the timeline and check out your animated scene. Looking good, right? Let's say you want to animate another element in the same photo like mist or sky. No worries, just follow these similar steps. Hide the water group for now. Use the quick mask to select the mist. Duplicate the selection, rename the layer, play the action, transform and you are set. Turn on the water group and place the mist group on top to ensure a seamless transition. Finally, paint with black on the layer mask to refine the effect and once again hit play to enjoy your animated scene. For saving the animation as a video, go to File, Export and then Render Video. Adjust the settings to your liking and hit Render. Voila! With this action you have got the power to transform any static photo into an eye-catching animated video. Before we wrap up, let's quickly check out one more sample where we will add motion to some fluffy clouds. Download the action and enjoy the effect. That's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials and actions. Please like, share and comment. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy editing.